Are you using a spoon, buddy? Good job. Too bad your sister won't use it. Good job, Conrad. That's a good job, buddy. Callie, you're making a mess. Good job. You're such a big boy. Such a big boy. So proud of you, buddy. I'm so proud of you. Is that good? Oh, that's a big scoop. Good job. Callie, we're going to have to work on you.